Do you want to know how you can sign into your Zoho account or your Zoho Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zoho Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Zoho Payroll Login. Then scroll a bit down and click on this, which is the official site of Zoho. What you need to do next is scroll a bit down, or you can see sign up now option on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on sign up now and scroll a bit down and see there is sign in. Go ahead and click on sign in. Then it will take you to the official login portal of Zoho where you can log in using your email address. It might take some time because the servers might be down or the internet problems might take some time, and it might differ according to your ISP provider of the internet. So once it opens, you can easily log into your Zoho account. So keep your patience and wait. As you can see, you can log in using your email address or your phone number. Go ahead and write down your email address or your phone number in this box. After that, click Next. You can also sign in using your Apple ID, your Google account, your Yahoo account, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn, Twitter, or Windows. If you want to skip this and use this, go ahead and click on this. For now, you can just go ahead and click Next. And if you have an account and the email address is valid, a password option will pop up. Go ahead and write down your password in that box and click sign in, and then you can access to Zoho Payroll as you will be signed into it. So guys, this is how you sign into your Zoho Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.